All right. So then we go to this form. This is a CMA that I ran. We went over how to price homes, so I'm not redoing that. And I'll go, okay, in your area, the average price in your area, it goes from 314 to 360, but here's the average price. I'll say from this to this, and here's the average price. And here's the average price per square foot, which is all we care about as real estate agents. Why is it all that we care about as real estate agents? Sellers, why? Anybody can give me some feedback. Why do we only care about the average price per square foot?
That's what the when they appraiser, that's what the appraiser is going to look at.
That's all the appraiser cares about. So that's all we care about. Because what they say is, oh, my neighbor's house is sold for this. My house has got to be worth this. Yeah. I remodeled my kitchen. I put in new floors. You're supposed to have a kitchen, ma'am. You're supposed to have floors in your house. How nice they are, it depends on how much money, how you want your own personal home. Will it only matter if we're comparing two homes and the buyer that walks in thinks it's value. Some people think a pool is valuable. I've seen people buy homes with pool and have a dump truck fill it with dirt. Unbelievable, right? We've seen all that happen. So here's the average price for your home. There's a total of 5 homes that have sold. And here's the range. Now look at the price per square foot range right here, guys. 121 all the way up to about 307.
That's
and we
big
also,
gap.
Pardon?
That's a big gap.
It is a big gap. And then we have total days on market 5, which is realtors. We go, yeah, I'm about to get paid, right? Now, this house gonna sell quick, right? And most homes are selling. Are they selling above list price or below list price?
Above.
Okay. Why is that important to you as a real estate agent to know this?
Because then you can negotiate more about the asking, like whatever they get above the asking.
How does it help you with determining the list price? Anybody?
Because you can tell them that we're going to list it at this, but it's, the average that it's going above list price is, 104%, 102, 103.8. So
basically what you're saying is we could list it for a lower price and guarantee them we'll get a higher price.
pretty much.
Yeah.
Just want to make sure I'm putting this out here correctly, right? Because most real estate agents want to do what? They want to list homes at the highest price because they're counting their check. They don't understand how this business really works. Your job is to get people to the home, to see it. The seller's job is to make sure it's in show condition, period. The more people that see it, you already know what's going to happen, right? If you've seen our epic open houses, you know that 50 to 200 people show up to our epic open houses. The neighbors call the police on us because they're trying to figure out what's happening at the house, all right? And then the police end up doing a video testimonial saying, wow, I never saw something like this, okay? All right, that's how it goes. So if you know this up front, know what all these numbers mean, your seller, you can just say, hey, when we do get to the price and they select the price, because we never select the price for a seller, they'll know what price that actually will work for them. All right. I didn't download this, so I can't rotate this. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Maybe I don't know. So I can rotate it.
This is the part I have trouble with.
All right.
Absorption.
All right. So average price is this. Average price per square foot is this. But as you can see, Ms. Castile, there's a big range on prices, right? And most of the homes, as you see, are selling over list price. So it looks like you actually bought in a good area, okay? She goes, okay, great. Thanks for the compliment, Anthony. Show me how I'm gonna get paid. All right.